Hey you, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Hey, I haven't done the welcome back song in a while. Today we're going to be talking about a box that I just got in from Influenster that is full of all types of goodies. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. So you guys have heard me talk about Influenster before. If you have not signed up, I highly recommend that you do. It is completely 100% free. All you have to do is go on their website and link all of your social media and be active on their website, and you might be listed to get what they call a Voxbox. So you know, I've received some Voxboxes from them before and I've unboxed them here on my channel. Well, they just sent me another box, and this is pretty much just a complimentary box. It says just for you on it, and it's pink themed for Mother's Day. They know that I'm a mother because they do all types of surveys asking you questions about yourself and what you like. For me, mostly I like makeup and skincare, so the products that they have sent me in the past have all been makeup. This box here, I'm excited to see what's in it, so let's go ahead and unbox. They did include a card telling me all about the product. First thing that they included in the box, I'm excited for. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus 2-in-1 Foaming Milk and Body Wash. Love the color of this liquid. It is so gorgeous, and it says it's for dull skin. It's gluten-free with vitamin E. It has no parabens, no phthalates, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no animal testing. So this is a travel size. It is $3.99. That is an awesome price for a size like this. It gently cleanses, conditions, and scents your skin with a blend of fresh, natural coconut and sweet hibiscus flower. And they sent me this one, but it was out of two. It was going to be either this one, or it looks like the other one might have been the body lotion. I'm really glad that they sent the body wash because I love body washes and I feel like I can never have enough body wash. Let's see how it smells. It smells really good, guys. I'm excited to try this. This is a good size for travel for sure, but I already know that it won't make it to the next trip, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in my bathroom so I can put it to work. The next thing that I see that they included is the Eva NYC Clean It Up shampoo. This is another travel size bottle, and it says with Caravis protein and argan oil. It gently cleanses, restores, and nourishes for all hair types. This one retails at $9, available at Target. And let's see what this one smells like. I get a little bit of a scent, but nothing too overwhelming. I can never have enough shampoos, and I've really been rotating my shampoos a lot because I've been getting a lot of product from different subscription boxes that I get in. So I'm excited to try this one out to see if I like it. I've never heard of Eva NYC. Let me know if you have before in the comments. Then we have the Copper Tone Pure and Simple Sunscreen Lotion. It's 100% natural botanicals, hyperallergenic and gentle, SPF 50, water resistant up to 80 minutes, no PABA, no parabens, no phthalates, no fragrances, no dyes, no oxybenzone, and it's zinc oxide protection. A new product, it says. It's got tea leaf, sea kelp, and lotus extract. That is a lot packed into this little bottle. This is perfect for travel. I could be wrong, but this might be a full-size bottle, 6 floral ounces. This is going to be perfect for summer. Plan to do a lot of small mini trips with the family, so glad that I have this one. Next we have the Renew Life Women's Care Ultimate Flora Probiotic Vegetable Capsules. So this has a lot of information packed all into the packaging, but this guy retails for $32.99. It has 60 capsules. It's the #1 women's probiotic, and it supports digestive and immune health and contains lactobacilli to help promote vaginal health. What I like about this is you can take it without food. You take 1 capsule a day. A lot of pills, for me, I have to take a lot of them with food or I begin to feel sick. I don't know if my body just can't handle all the different stuff that are in a lot of capsules, but I like that you can take this without food. The capsule is just vegetable fiber, water, and cellulose. I've never actually tried a probiotic capsule, So we'll see how it goes. This company has been around for nearly 2 decades. It says that this is good for your gut. Your gut is your engine, your digestive core, and you can keep it running smoothly with these probiotic capsules. And it also helps you feel better. In addition to promoting digestive and vaginal and immune health, it helps you feel better, lighter, and more energized. Did you know that there are 100 trillion bacteria inside your digestive tract? To keep that complex system thriving, our potent formulas work hard to provide more of the good-for-you bacteria that occurs in a naturally healthy gut. Having a good balance among all the diverse microbes in your gut is key to well-being, but stress, aging, diet, and other issues can upset this delicate equilibrium. Ultimate Flora probiotics are made with multiple scientifically studied strains to support digestive balance and harmony. Our once daily delayed release capsules help ensure more friendly probiotics reach your intestinal tract. And these are approved by the Food and Drug Administration for those that it matters to. I don't think it's something I might take every day, but I might take it to try to see how it affects my body, and if I like it, I'll continue to use them. But excited that I was able to get these for $32.99, getting them for completely free. Not complaining at all. Last thing that I see in the box is Kleenex wet wipes. They gave me 2 packs of 8 each. One of these is $1. It's a gentle cleanse for hands, face, and body. It has no harsh chemicals. They are thick and soft. A new way to get clean. Hashtag no sink required. I'm excited to get these. I'd like to use them as makeup wipes. I can never have too many makeup wipes, and I actually want to see right now how they perform as a makeup wipe. So let's just give it a go. So already, just removing my lips, I did have on a very durable matte liquid lipstick, but it did kind of tear, so maybe they're not intended for makeup, but let's try the rest of the face. So it is effective. I mean, just in using one wipe that's full of makeup, you can see I removed my lipstick and my foundation, my concealer, blush, contour, highlight. I mean, it took all of that off. I didn't go in with the eyes because I feel like I would need to take another rag to do that, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys how effective it is in removing makeup. I'm pretty sure I could probably get some more makeup off with this, probably get off my eyebrows, eyeshadow, but it did tear right off with that thick, hardy matte liquid lipstick that I did have on. It is effective, but probably not what I would use for a makeup wipe on the regular. I would probably carry them more for hand wipes, but they are good for the face as well. So I hope this video was helpful in case you want to try out any of these products. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here to my channel, my name is Brittany. I love makeup. I review products, do tutorials, unboxings. I do Bible studies if you're interested in that as well. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.